Joining me today is Matt White, Application Engineer for WIDIA from ITC. And Matt, we've got a number of promotions here. Maybe we can talk through some of them.
Yeah, WIDIA are constantly launching new products. We've seen in the advances book that we looked at recently, and they tend to always put an offer rate on the new products just as a sweetener to get you to be interested in them. So you'll see a wide range. All these promotion flyers are available from ITC or on our website. If you go to the website and click on special offers, there's like an orange pound sign, click on there. So they're all available on there. One of the best ones at the moment, one I like, which seems to be a really, really good product, is the new part-off blade, the WGC system. So the offer is only on the part-off blade, but with 20 inserts for £99, which is a reasonably good price, very competitive. But also the range isn't just a part-off system, it's a grooving system. There's lots of different, there's 4-rad inserts, there's lots of whips, but also the integral bodies, just to make people aware, they are through coolant. So if you have that set, I know a lot of people now buying the lathes with the through coolant facility, these are already set up on the integral bodies. So it'd be worth having a look at the product. Either give ourselves a call or look in the Advances 2020 book, all the information's there. So
sure, most people part off, let's face it, don't they? Most people part off.
If you've got a lathe, you're predominantly parting off, and you know it's easy to run up a big order on inserts on a batch of horrible material. So I know people are always looking for offers on things like part-off blades and inserts. The beauty of this is it seems to be a really, really good grade. WU25 is working really well, and we're having some good success with it.
Multi-purpose, P25, cross all materials.
Yes. Part-off, left-hand, right-hand neutral, because people prefer to have the handed ones if they don't want the pip or anything like that. So yeah, really worth having a look at this, but check the website out. The little orange, it's got a little pound sign in it, special offers. Click on that and all these are on there, and as you can see, everything that we've got here on the desk is all to do with current tools that have been launched within the last 9-10 months maximum.
Sure. How about the solids we have here?
So the newest launch catalogue is our new slimline book, so again another exciting time for us. That has all the favourites from WIDIA. So you've got your vari mills, you've got your VDS drills, and you've got your GP range. Now the GP, which are the flyers next to you, we've had on offer for a long time. They are a really good all-round cutter. We've got the 4-flute, 3-flute and 2 flutes in square end, ball nose, and the addition in the slimline, which we've been asked for quite a lot and we finally got it now, is the GP range in the 3 different lengths. So you've got your short, your regular and your long length. We now have with radiuses. So where before it was only the square corners, people were saying we could really do with a radius on. So they are in the GP book, in the slimline book, as a GP product with GP type prices. So again, it'd be worth having a look at that. For
sure. And just looking down here, you've been quite clever. Whether I've got a mill, a lathe, a 5-axis machine, a sliding head, you've kind of got something for everyone here, haven't you, on these promos?
We've tried to, and I think that shows that WIDIA are always looking to launch new products and look at new innovations. And although these are promotions at the moment, they're all based on the launch of new products. So we should have something to cover. I see the Top Cut 4 there. Top Cut's been a great seller for WIDIA over the years. It has. It's a very good drill. Obviously, the latest launch of that is the aluminium insert. So we've had that for about 12 months now. We don't sell a great load of them once they're in because they're a 4-edged insert, but they do a job and they're really good on aluminium. They're specific. The V38 grade came out, geometry came out last year, which has got the chip breaker. So long chipping materials, it just helps clear the swath. So again, they're all innovations, and on the back of the innovation, we've got a promo on it. So
yeah, it's a no-brainer. Well, good suite of tools, all on special offer. Go on the ITC website, look for the little pound sign and inquire there.